Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Data Structures and Algorithms in Python. Introduction. Data structures and algorithms are fundamental concepts in computer science that every aspiring programmer should understand. They are the building blocks for solving complex problems efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of data structures and algorithms using Python, a powerful and beginner-friendly programming language. We'll cover essential data structures such as arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs, along with common algorithms like sorting, searching, and traversal. Prerequisites. To follow along with this tutorial, you should have a basic understanding of Python programming language syntax. Example. 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 Example, bubble sort. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've covered some fundamental data structures and algorithms in Python. Understanding these concepts is crucial for any programmer, as they form the basis of solving complex computational problems efficiently. Continue exploring and practicing with these data structures and algorithms to enhance your problem-solving skills. Happy coding! ChatGPT